How do you even get started with creating content for your business? Don't sweat it. Hey there, I'm Abby Herman with Right Solutions. Being a business owner is hard, especially when you're just getting started. I mean, you're so busy trying to build up that client base and actually make some money so that you can make your business work, that the last thing you're probably thinking of is marketing yourself, writing a blog, creating videos, all of that stuff. Or maybe it's so far on your mind and you're trying to do it all and nothing seems to be working. Well, today I'm going to talk to you about how to stop that overwhelm so that you can create the content that you need to market your business. Because the reality is you do need that content, but you don't really have to be all over the place. So first, understand that you don't have to be everywhere online. Figure out where your audience is, where they hang out, where they're consuming content, and what kind of content they're consuming, and do that. Start with that, and don't worry about any of the rest of it. I always recommend starting with a blog so that you can establish some of that search engine optimization and drive traffic to your website so Google knows that you're out there. Once you have a really good routine for publishing your blog post and you have a good amount of content on your website, then it's okay to start expanding and creating more content in other places. As you're starting your blog, share your content in 2 places. But don't reshare until you have built up a good base of content on those social platforms where you're sharing. So here's an example. You published a blog on your website today and you are going to share it over on, let's say, Instagram and Facebook. Then you're going to spend a few days sharing curated content. So whether that's similar content about a similar topic, maybe you're an affiliate for an online program that you want to share, whatever it is, share some content before you share the next blog post. You can reshare that original blog post, but not until you have posted a lot of other content in between. Once you have a really good base of content, like maybe 50 blog posts, then you can start resharing some of those popular blog posts to draw some additional traffic to your website. Now, probably one of the most frustrating things about being a new business owner and writing content, creating content, is that people are not automatically going to come to your YouTube channel or to your blog. You need to take the time and be consistent over a long period of time. Online marketing is most definitely a marathon. It is not a sprint, and it takes a long time to build up that traction, to build up that audience. Depending on what kind of services or products you offer, you might not need a big audience. If you offer one-to-one services, there's only so much that you can handle at one time. So you don't really need a giant list of 500 or 1,000 people. You need a quality list of people, a quality audience of buyers, and you don't need all of the extra fluff. Just know that you do need content, but it doesn't have to take over your business life and you don't need to lose sleep about it. Start creating quality, consistent content on just one channel, your blog, until you build up a system and can publish it regularly. Then start expanding into new avenues and new platforms. If you have any questions about how to get started creating content as a new business owner, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.